Right, so I'm going to teach you how to do groups practice, step 5 of SOAP, for the Vivaldi A minor first movement. And this is bar 60, going up through bar 68 and a half. I'm going to put my metronome at 1/4, fit 60 beats per minute, with 16th note subdivisions. There are 4 different kinds of groups. One is 1+4. That's when you take the first note and each group of 4 that are beamed together with the 2 beams at the bottom. And then you play the next 4 notes, which lead you up to the next first note of the next group. I'm not going to do the slurs or anything. 4, 3, 2, 1. What I like about 1+4 is that you hear the voicing. You hear all of the melody notes. Really neat. The other thing to note is that for the first time you play this, it's helpful to just try to finger along and not make any sounds with your bow, because they can throw you off if you make a mistake. And I just want you to try to keep up with the metronome. Okay, so that's 1+4. Here's 2+4. Make sure you're fingering along. You're gonna do the first 2 notes in the group, followed by the next 4 notes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, if you have trouble with 2+4, which I sometimes do, you're welcome to go back and just go back to where this started in the video, okay? Or you can just try each of the rhythms, and each of the groups rather, and then do the whole video over again. Either way, it's valid practice. Just make sure you go all the way through this video each day, okay? Here's 3+4. 4, 3, 2, 1. some things to watch out for are that your finger on the new string gets there without hitting the open string first. So for instance, in bar 68, I think I did this. Do you hear that? Where I moved my bow before my 4 was down, so it's an FBG, finger, bow, go. You have to listen for those, okay? The other thing you'll notice is I'm not really doing dynamics, and I'm not doing accents particularly, because this is really a left-hand focused exercise. Here's the last one, 4 plus 4. You know what's happening, right? 4 notes at a time. 4, 3, 2, 1. I do like to play that last note for some closure. I feel like you've arrived somewhere. So this gives you time. The point of this exercise is to get all the changes really fast, but to give you time every four notes to set up the next note, so that each 16th note is exactly placed exactly where you want it. Happy practicing.